Kumar Singh. I am in class 12, Birla School Pilani residential wing. Today is 6th of August. Me and my friends and principal sir, Khan sir, the chief warden, and two of our housemasters started a journey from our school to a village near our school. It was a 10-kilometer journey, and we really enjoyed it very well. Our principal sir helped us in our little training for NDA exams. We are going to face it in 3rd of September. Thank you.
Of class 12, a bicycle trip from our residential wing to this town Gakharwad. It was a journey of 10 kilometers from there to here, but some points where we the road were disturbed, and we walked through many two times and we reached here and we feel at